So what you're saying is this is the cooler version of the Volkswagen Polo. Oh, hello there. Fancy seeing you here. I'm very glad you are, because today I'm going to show you the cooler version of the Volkswagen Polo. It's the Audi A1. And if you're looking for a first-time driver's car, this is as stylish as it gets. This car's been very well looked after. In this video, I'm going to show you all around it so you can see what to expect when you come here to the brilliant Clever Car Collection to take it for a test drive. Let's take a look. Now this is our Audi A1. It's got the 1.2-litre petrol engine with a manual gearbox. It's got a heady 85 brake horsepower. It'll do 55 miles to the gallon, and it's had 3 previous owners. Now its insurance group just 09E, so if you're looking for a first-time driver's car, one that's very stylish like this one, this is actually quite affordable. Road tax is only £35 a year, so you're going to save money there too. Now in terms of this car, it is in very good condition. It has been looked after incredibly well. It's done 104,500 miles, but to be honest with you, you would not be able to tell. We've hand polished it here with our Autoglym products, and it's come up absolutely beautifully. Now, let's have a look close up. Front end, all looking very good. A couple of minor marks on the bonnet, as you'd expect, but to be honest with you, they're not really sticking out. It's got that classic Audi front grille. Coming round the driver's side, the alloy wheels, 15-inch alloy wheels, looking good. It's the 3-door model, this, as you can see. And coming down on the driver's side, no real marks sticking out, minor scratch there. This alloy wheel looking good. Rear spoiler, a beautiful shape, these little A1s. Decent sized boot, as you can see. And just down there you've got your tyre kit and the locking wheel nut. Now, coming round to the passenger side, this wheel looking good too. No marks really sticking out on this side. Very minor blemish here. Oh no, it's not. It's just wiped off. That's how closely I'm looking at this side, but there is a very minor dent just there. This wing mirror looking good, as is this alloy wheel. No chips on the windscreen, and the roof all looking smart too. And this wing mirror, nice and tidy. Right, let's have a look inside. I just want to show you the interior of this car, because it is very nice, very well looked after. And in the back there, you've got ISOFIX points on both rear seats. Right, let's jump in. Right, so we've got 2 remote central locking keys for this car. We'll jump inside. I will start it up, and we'll have a little look around inside. So, starting her up, as you can see, 104,469, 104,500 miles there or thereabouts. Got a remote lock-in, central lock-in there. You've got electric windows in the front and electric mirrors. Nice simple steering wheel. I'll zoom out a little bit for you there. Here we've got the CD player with radio. Very simple to use, and you can plug in your audio system if you so wish. External via aux. Just there. Very nice and tidy inside. Automatic gearbox, cup holders there for your lattes, and decent sized glove box. Right, in terms of history for this car, it's been well looked after this. It will come with a new 12-month MOT, and it will be serviced by an independent workshop ahead of it being delivered to you. But it has had previous services recorded at Audi in 2013, 14, 16, independent services after that in 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21 and 2022. Now, we do offer a 3-month, 3,000 mile warranty as standard. That will come with this car, and you can upgrade it to a 12-month warranty if you so wish. We offer nationwide delivery on all of our cars. Please get in touch with us for a quote if you're interested in that. And while you're online, please check out our reviews on Auto Trader and Google. We're incredibly proud of the 5-star service and the 5-star reviews that we've got on those platforms. And we've recently won highly rated for our customer service again for the 2nd year running. That's 24 and 2025. Very proud of it, we are too. And that starts with giving people like you the best possible treatment when you come to see brilliant first time drivers cars like this one. Now if you've got any questions, please get in touch. I'm James, it's james@clevercarcollection.com, that's my email. You can send us a message via whatever platform you're looking at this advert on, or send us a message via our website. It's clevercarcollection.com, plenty of ways to get in touch with us there, and where you'll find lots of pictures of this car. Right, I hope this video has been useful. Thanks very much for watching. Look forward to seeing you very soon. Goodbye.